Hey guys, here today doing a review of the California Air Tools Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. This is the 10020C. It's the 10-gallon upright air compressor, 110 volt. Just wanted to take you through a couple things I liked, what I don't like, and what I found with it. So here we go. Alright, take you through some of the performance specs here just real quick. Again, this is the 10020C. It's the 10-gallon steel tank. 2 horsepower motor, 6.4 CFM at 40 psi, 5.3 CFM at 90 psi. So this is going to run all of your basic air tools, air nailers, trim nailers, some light spray guns. It's probably not going to run a lot of automotive impact guns, things like that, at least not for a long time. It's really going to up the duty cycle on it. But for what we're using it for, which is light residential construction and remodeling, it seems to work great. You can see got the tank pressure gauge on the left side, the regulated airline pressure gauge on the right side. Dual outlets, which I really like. I upgraded from a Bostitch pancake compressor, which we had really outgrown what we needed it for. We were using a splitter on our airlines, which was a real pain to set up all the time. So great to have 2 outlets there. We're running just some regular 3/8 airline from Cobalt. That seems to work pretty well. We haven't had any issues. We've been using it for about a month now, fairly regularly. All right, really easy setup, came very well packaged. I bought this particular compressor from Lowe's. I had it shipped. And really pulled it out of the package, put the wheel kit on, and put the air filters on the back, and we were ready to roll. Came out of the box, fired it right up, starts, runs great, super quiet. I can talk, use my cell phone, talk to customers right near it. Never really even know the difference that it's running. This particular unit usually stays in the trailer. We run about 100 foot of airline out into the house or into the job site that we're using. It is a little bit heavy. It's about 90 pounds, 98 pounds. So with the wheel kit, it's nice to roll around, but with some uneven ground, gravel driveways, it can be kind of a pain. So that's why we just opted to run the airlines and keep it secured in the trailer. It takes about 2 minutes to fill from empty. I'll go ahead and fire it up. We can check out how quiet it is, and we'll put a little timer down the bottom of the screen, see how long it takes to fill. So as you can see, super quiet, really happy with the decibel level. Just really nice to work around. It doesn't make your ears ring by the end of the day when you're finished working around it after a long job.
While this is filling up, I just want to comment on the easy start valve, which is actually the large rush of air you hear at the very beginning of the pump starting. The easy start valve allows the compressor to eject a certain amount of air so that the pump doesn't begin running under pressure, reduces the load on the pump, and uses less amperage. So you'll hear the loud rush of air, it'll go on for a few seconds, and then it'll cut back to a lower decibel level, which is about 60 decibels.
Alright, 120 psi, comes regulated from the factory, which is right where we're at. Not too bad, and we're ready to go to work. Alright guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, the review of the California Air Tools 10020C Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. Go ahead and like our page, and we're going to have some more reviews coming out for you. Have a good one.